This is my Angry Bird clay collection. First we have the small red bird. He looks a little strange. No, he looks a little strange. And he's made out of white sculpture clay, yellow sculpture clay, black sculpture clay, red sculpture clay, and black sculpture clay. Here's a brown bird that I made up, and I also gave one to my friend Gabriel, and he got the white one. Next we have the orange bird. His power is he puffs up. And I forgot about this guy's power. He just pushes, he just turns straight, and then he pushes beak out, and then he rides on this sled. The orange bird, he just pops off. Next we have big brother bird, and it's the same as this one. This is the yellow bird. You just meet him today. He's made out of the yellow's heart tonight. This is the green bird. He has his mouth open, and he jumps over, and then he turns back.
Come on, buddy.
Next, we have the blackbird. He can puff, he can explode and kill lots of pigs.